In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bill in accounting. By the end, you'll be comfortable turning a vendor's invoice into a clean, organized bill inside your accounting system, so it's easy to track what you owe and when. Start on your accounting dashboard. Look to the left navigation menu and click Purchases. This opens a drop-down dedicated to expenses and vendor-related actions. From that drop-down, choose Bills. You'll land on the Bills page, which shows any bills you've already recorded and gives you a clear starting point for new ones. Next, click New Bill to begin. This opens the bill form, where you'll enter the details from the vendor invoice you received. Begin with the vendor field. If the vendor is already in your list, select them from the drop-down. If not, choose. Add a vendor and fill in the basic information, such as the vendor's name, email, tax number, and payment currency. Taking a moment to add accurate vendor details now will save you time later and keeps your records consistent, especially if you work with the same suppliers frequently. Enter the bill date exactly as it appears on the vendor's document. This helps your reporting and ensures your payables reflect the correct period. Then, add the bill number or reference number from the vendor. Using their reference makes it easy to reconcile and communicate if any questions come up. Now add the line items. Click Add an item to include each product or service you're being charged for. Type the item name so it's recognizable at a glance, add a clear description for context, and enter the quantity and price. Be precise here. Double-check quantities and unit prices against the vendor invoice. As you add items, Akaunting automatically calculates the subtotal and total for you, so you can immediately see whether your figures match the document in your hand. If something looks off, review your entries before moving on. Take a moment to scan everything on the screen: the vendor, the date, the reference number, and the item details. Consistency matters for clean accounting, and it's easier to correct now than later. When you're satisfied, click Save. That records the bill in Akaunting and adds it to your list of bills under Purchases. From there, it's part of your accounts payable, ready for your usual review and payment process. That's it. You've created a bill in Akaunting by navigating to Purchases, opening bills, starting a new bill, entering the vendor and key details, adding your line items, and saving. Follow these steps each time you receive a vendor invoice to keep your books accurate and up to date.